Hi, I'm Jim, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your Mavic Mini photos with your drone and use some software in post-processing and convert those into panoramic images. Other versions of the DJI drones may come with this capability. The Mavic Mini does not, but that doesn't mean we still can't do it on our own. So in this video, we're going to use Microsoft Image Composer called Microsoft Ice to take a number of pictures with our DJI drone, or that were taken with the DJI drone, put them on our workstation, use the software, and then convert them over into a nice panoramic image. So the first thing we'll want to do is copy the files onto our local file system, and then we can go into the Microsoft Image application and load them up. Here I have some images of a sunset. You'll see your images inside of the software once they're loaded, and then on the right hand side you can see that there's a number of different objects in terms of options for how you want to generate the image. In my case, I usually pick automatic. Just click next. This will allow the the software to start creating the files. I've sped this up a little bit, but depending on the file size, this can take some time. First it analyzes, and then it tries to create the panoramic image. And then we still have some capabilities in terms of converting what we see to a different type of perspective. So, really here, probably cylindrical is the best, but you can go ahead and look through the different options and select them and decide what looks best for you. As you can see, depending on which option you pick, it can change the image kind of drastically. So I'll end up going here with cylindrical, and you can zoom in and you can figure out what you want it to look like, and then we can do all the crops later. So I went with cylindrical. I let it create the image for me. You can do an auto crop or autofill actually, and the autofill will try to fill in the spaces using some type of cloning and stamping capability using AI. I've had mixed experiences with this. Sometimes it works very well, sometimes it does not. We'll see what it looks like for this particular sequence of images, but ultimately in this case I'm gonna not use it. I'm just gonna go with the auto crop. So as you can see on the right hand side, it didn't really know what to do with the images, where in the sky it turns out a little bit better. Okay, let's auto crop. And auto crop is going to try to maximize the resolution of the image that you have, or without having a lot of black spots around. In terms of quality, I like to make it superb, get the best resolution out of this. And then you can export it to disk. So it was that easy. It's very, very easy to create your panoramic images using the software. If you don't have any other DJI drones which have this capability built in, it is very easy to use Microsoft Ice to be able to create this on your own. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like it below, and feel free to leave some comments in terms of how you create your images and what you do from a post-processing perspective. Additionally, if there's something you'd want me to do, please via the comments let me know what kind of tutorial you'd like to see.